Impeachment is a political process, not a judicial one. Sang-ayon po ako sa hindi pagtuloy ng impeachment. There are many pressing problems in our country that need to be addressed, not only by the two highest officials, but also by us, lawmakers. Impeachment will only sow divisiveness and distract us from the urgent and pressing issues we must collectively address. Impeachment moves should be firmly rooted in the principles of justice and accountability, not personal or partisan motives. Patuloy ko po na ipagdarasal na manaig ang reconciliation sa pagitan ng ating dalawang pinakamataas mga leader ng ating bansa para na rin sa kapakanan ng ating mga kababayan.